So student, let's see the question number first. Okay, see here, this is the circle. First circle which is radius है 5 centimeter, second circle radius is 3 centimeter and it's given both center के बीच का distance कितना है 4 centimeter. Okay, and this is our common chord AB. Okay, see, common chord AB is our common chord. Okay, in both the circle. Okay, so AB is equal to हमें find करना है what is the length of AB. Okay, so to find the AB we know OA is equal to 5 centimeter, O dash A is equal to 3 centimeter. Okay, so in OA O dash, अगर मैं इस ट्रेंगल की बात करती हूँ OA O dash ट्रेंगल की, so in this triangle we write it OA square plus OA square is equal to OO dash 5 square plus it's 25 centimeter. Okay, now OO dash is equal to, if we write out OO dash plus O dash square plus AO dash square is equal to OA square. क्या ये होता है, मिलता है हमें? So O dash is equal to 4 centimeter 4 square, AO dash is equal to 3 square. Okay, so 3 square 3 whole square. Okay, so what is given? 16 plus 9, that is 25. Okay, so we can see that here Pythagoras theorem is true. Okay, we can see here Pythagoras theorem is true for this 16 plus 9 is equal to 25. Okay, so this is our right angle triangle. Okay, by Pythagoras theorem we can write it OA square is equal to O dash square plus AO dash square. Okay, understand? So if these are so angle O dash is right angle. Angle O dash पे क्या हो रहा है हमारा? right angle बन रहा है. Okay, understand? So we can write it angle AO dash O is equal to 90 डिग्री, मीन्स O dash पर हमारा 90 डिग्री बन रहा है. ओके, ये हमारा हो गया फर्स्ट पार्ट. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? नाउ if we talk about second part of this theorem in OB O dash, यहाँ पर भी हमारा सेम रहेगा. ओके, OB O dash is also OB square is equal to 5 square, that is 25 centimeter, and same here O dash square plus BO dash square is equal to 16 plus 9, that is 25. Okay, 4 square plus 3 square is equal to 25. 16 plus 9, that is 25. Okay, understand? So by Pythagoras theorem we can write B OB square is equal to O dash square plus OB dash square. So it's a by Pythagoras theorem we know that BO dash O is equal to 90 degree, means first equation and second equation. Okay, this is our first equation, means हमारा ये वाला एंगल 90 डिग्री है. सेकेंड इक्वेशन से भी ये एंगल हमारा क्या है? 90 डिग्री. ओके, सो इट बिकम अ 180. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड? BO O dash is equal to 90. Okay, understand? BO O dash is equal to 90 degree. So if we add equation first and second, AO O dash AO O dash plus BO dash O इज इक्वल टू 180. ओके, अगर ये हमारा 180 हो रहा है मीन्स AO डैश O प्लस BO डैश O इज इक्वल टू 180. 90 प्लस 90 डेट इज़ 180. अगर मैंने दोनों एंगल्स को प्लस किया सो वी गेट 90 प्लस 90 डेट इज़ 180 डिग्री. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. So we can write AO dash B is equal to 180 minus फोर हो गया. फुल हमारा AO डैश B क्या हो जाएगा बच्चों 180 डिग्री. ओके, एंड इफ AO डैश B इज इक्वल टू विल बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. ओके, AO डैश B विल बी अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. और इफ दिस इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन देन सेंटर ऑफ दिस सर्कल इज हियर. ओके, अगर ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो सेंटर कहाँ हुआ, यहाँ पर हुआ. हमने बोला AO डैश B इज अ स्ट्रेट लाइन, सो AB इज इक्वल टू O डैश A प्लस O डैश B. ओके, अगर ये स्ट्रेट लाइन है तो हमारा यही होगा 3 प्लस 3 डेट इज 6 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. So student, what is the length of AB? AB is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, understand. So this way you complete the question number first. Okay, now our question number 2 is, if two chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the segment of one chord are equal to the corresponding segment of the other chord. Okay, means हमको proof करना है. See, first of all we have to draw the rough figure. If two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, see आप अगर आप एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 देखेंगे आपकी बुक में, जो एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 है सेम क्वेश्चन है ये. ओके, देयर इज सेम क्वेश्चन. सो कंप्लीट दिस क्वेश्चन टू सी एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2 एंड कंप्लीट दी क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. So question number 3 is, if two equal chords of a circle intersect within the circle, prove that the line joining the point of intersection of a center of the to the center makes equal angle with the chords. Okay, make equal angle at the chords. So what is given? AB is equal to CD. Chords intersect at X. Let the chord intersect at X. Now prove. What is we have to prove? Angle OXL is equal to angle OXM. Angle OXL is equal to angle OXM. And construction क्या करेंगे हम OL परपेंडिकुलर करेंगे. परपेंडिकुलर we have to draw OL perpendicular to AB and OM perpendicular to CD. Okay, so we have to prove in OLX and OMX. So OLX is equal to OMX because they are 90 degree, it's perpendicular. Okay, and OX is equal to OX because it's common, and OL is equal to OM because they are equal chords are equidistant from the center. We know that equal chords are equidistant from the center. So we write it, triangle OCX is congruent to triangle OMX. Okay, understand. So student, we can write it by RHS, means right angle hypotenuse side. So we can write it OXL is equal to angle OXL is equal to angle OXM by CPCT. Okay, understand. So this way we have to prove the question third. Okay, so student, let's see question number 4. If a line intersect two concentric circles with center O at ABCD, prove that AB is equal to CD. We have to prove AB is equal to CD. Okay, so OM is let's do the construction. Two concentric circle हैं and it's given. Okay, figure is given in your book. See the figure. We have to construct OM. हमने क्या किया, OM कंस्ट्रक्ट किया, मीन्स हमने उस सीकेंड पर क्या डाला है, एक परपेंडिकुलर डाला है. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सी, if a line intersect two concentric circle with center O at A B C D, 4 पॉइंट पर हो रहा है कट, हमें बताना है ए बी इज इक्वल टू सी डी. ओके, ओ एम इज़ परपेंडिकुलर टू ए डी. हमने जो लाइन ए डी है उस पर ओ एम को परपेंडिकुलर डाला है. ओके, नाउ बी एम इज इक्वल टू सी एम, बिकॉज सेंटर से जो परपेंडिकुलर डलता है कॉर्ड पर वो कॉर्ड को बाइसेक्ट करता है. ओके, परपेंडिकुलर फ्रॉम सेंटर बाइसेक्ट द कॉर्ड. सो ए एम इज इक्वल टू डी एम. So AM is equal to DM. AM is equal to, if AM is equal to DM, फर्स्ट एंड सेकेंड दो इक्वेशन मिली हमें. BM is equal to CM is first equation, AM is equal to DM is our second equation. Okay, because perpendicular from center bisect the chord. Okay, understand. Now second minus first, if we दोनों हम इक्वेशंस को देखते हैं. So AM is equal to DM and BM is equal to CM. So we can get, अगर ए एम एंड बी एम, ए एम में से बी एम को माइनस करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा ए बी, एंड डी एम में से सी एम को माइनस करेंगे तो हमें मिलेगा सी डी, विच इज़ अवर. सो वी हैव टू प्रूव ए बी इज इक्वल टू सी डी. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सी, दिस वे वी हैव कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. सो रीड आउट द क्वेश्चन. 3 girls, Reshma, Salma and Mandeep, are playing a game by standing on a circle of radius 5 meter drawn in a park. Okay, Reshma throw a ball to Salma and Salma to Mandeep, Mandeep to Reshma. If the distance between Reshma and Salma and between Salma and Mandeep is 6 centimeter each, what is the distance between Reshma and Mandeep? Okay, so let's draw the circle. See here, R is Reshma, S is Salma and M is Mandeep. Okay, now we know that from the question we have draw this circle. Okay, and R is Reshma, S is Salma and M is Mandeep. Okay, O is the center. So OR is equal to OM is equal to OS, because the center से distance कितना है, radius is our 5 centimeter. Okay, and RS is equal to 6 centimeter and RM is also 6 centimeter. Okay, so if these are 6 centimeter and this is also 6 centimeter, so we have to find this way. Okay, RM हमें find करना है. Okay, understand. So we have to find RM. Okay student. So student, we have to draw perpendicular from center or to RS. Okay, RS is equal to 6. So RL is equal to 3 because these are perpendicular bisector of the chord. Okay, center से जो perpendicular bisector होता है वो chord को क्या करता है, bisect करता है. So RL is equal to 3 centimeter and LS is also is 3 centimeter. Okay, understand. So these triangles, see the triangle ORL, triangle in, so see in triangle OLR, OR square is equal to RL square plus OL square. OR is 5, RL is 3 and we have to find OL. Okay, so 25 is equal to 9 plus OL square, so 25 minus 9, that is 16. So OL square is equal to 16, so OL is equal to 4. Okay, understand. So we find the OL. OL is 4. Okay, so student, we find OL is equal to 4. Now we say see ORS. Okay, so 1/2 B into P means अगर हमें area of ORS find करना है तो this is 1/2 base into perpendicular. Okay, understand. So student, OL we have to find OL, and so see triangle ORS. In triangle ORS, if we take RS as the base, so RS is 6 centimeter and perpendicular OL is we have find 4 centimeter. Okay, so 1/2 into 6 into 4. Okay, understand. And अगर हम बेस चेंज कर दें, अगर हम बेस लें ओ एस इज़ अवर रेडियस. ओके, रेडियस इज़ अवर 5 सेंटीमीटर. सो 1/2 इंटू 5 इंटू आर एन उस कंडीशन में हमारा आर एन जो है वो परपेंडिकुलर हो जाएगा. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड. सो सी, हमने क्या किया, एक ही ट्रायंगल के एरिया को हम टू टाइप से निकाल सकते हैं. अगर हमने बेस आर एस लिया तो आर एस इज 6 सेंटीमीटर इंटू 4 सेंटीमीटर, डेट इज़ 24/5. ओके, हमारे पास 24 आ गया. एंड आर एन हमारा दूसरा, अगर हमने उसे ओ एस को अगर हमने बेस लिया है तो ओ एस इंटू आर एन. ओके, सो वी फाइंड आर एन इज इक्वल टू 24/5, डेट इज़ 4.8 मीटर. 4.8 meter is our Rn. Okay, understand. So if we find Rn is equal to 4.8 meter. So what is Rm? What is the value of Rm? Rn plus Mn. And we know, if we draw perpendicular bisector, perpendicular from center to a chord, then it bisect the chord. Okay, so Rn is equal to 4.8. So Mn is also 4.8. So your value is 9.6 meter. So value of Rm is 9.6 centimeter. Okay, so question number 6 you have to do by yourself. Okay, have a good day.